Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor and software development tool that uses artificial intelligence to help programmers write, edit, refactor, and understand code more efficiently. It integrates AI directly into the coding environment, giving intelligent suggestions, natural language code editing, and deep codebase awareness rather than just basic autocomplete. Cursor speeds up coding workflows. AI assists in accelerating routine tasks like generating boilerplate tests or merging conflict fixes. You can ask the AI to rewrite this function or add a login screen, and it applies changes directly. Cursor can operate with privacy modes to avoid sending sensitive code externally. It suggests fixes and interprets error stacks to speed up bug resolution. Users can run different underlying models depending on cost or quality preferences. Because it's built on top of Verse's code, many familiar key bindings and extensions work seamlessly.